Welcome, this is Zon with Repo Products, and today's AutoCAD tips and tricks are tips 26 through 28. AutoCAD tip 26 is the boundary command. This is a nice command to use if you want to try to create a polyline around an area and to get, maybe square footage or something like that. So I have a bedroom 2 area over here, and if I type in BO for boundary, I can use this command pick point, and it will automatically draw a boundary around this inside. And so now that you have it, you can select it and you can go to properties to get that value data such as area and length and things like that. It's a nice tool to use to very quickly generate that information. Another tool tip is being able to open up multiple files at one time with AutoCAD. Most of us are very typical in the approach of clicking open and going to get the file that I want and hitting open. Or they do a window crossing like this and they hit open and it opens all the files. You can, however, just use Windows Explorer, head over to the files that you want to work with, select the files by group selection like this, and drag and drop onto the AutoCAD program. It will automatically open up all those files and you'll see all the files showing up. And then you can obviously resort them however you need to resort them by just clicking and holding the tabs. As you click a tab, obviously it'll jump to that particular file as well. The next tool tip involves how to lock your tool palettes down. If I head over to the View tab of the ribbon, under the Palettes panel you have the Tool Palette command. If you click it and it's highlighted, that means it's turned on. And if you head over to my screen, you'll see I have two palettes turned on and it's docked to the left. You also notice that it shows there's this lock symbol and it's set to be read only. And that way nobody can mess with any of the commands, nobody can adjust anything, and it's static. How do I make this lock command function and how did I get it to work? The way this works is heading over to the options of the dialog box, heading over to the File tab of the ribbon, go over to Tool Palettes File Location and expand this. This is the path and the location where the tool palettes sit. So you'll need to open up Windows Explorer to that location. So again, we'll go to C Drive, Users, My Name, App Data. App Data by default is a hidden folder. So you will need to head over to Folder and Search Options and make sure that Show Hidden Files is checked. Otherwise that won't show up. So then expand to App Data, expand to Roaming, Autodesk, all the way down to AutoCAD 2017, R21.0, Support, and then Tool Palettes. So there's that file. If you right-click that file and go to Properties, you can uncheck Read Only, and then click OK when you're finished. This will make the file not locked. In other words, this tool palette icon will disappear. If it is checked as Read Only, the lock will show up. This effect only happens if you get out of AutoCAD and get back into AutoCAD. So let's go ahead and close AutoCAD, start up AutoCAD again. And if we take a look at the Tool Palettes tool, we should see that the lock symbol is no longer there. So heading over to the Tool Palettes, you'll see that lock symbol is no longer there, which means I can adjust anything that I need to adjust. And those are the tool tips